Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I'm still looking at this as possibly going down to complete an A, B, C, or B. I think this right here is 5 waves up for the A. I think it needs to make an A, B, C, or B. And then I think it's probably going to make another uptrend for a wave C eventually for probably what's all a wave A, 3 waves up for a wave B, and eventually back down for a wave C. So, keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do see that this possibly could go up and test these highs. Definitely a possibility. But I'm still looking at this as of now as possibly being a wave B. There's possibly either making an equal high or a little bit of a lower high and continuing back down for a big giant wave C of wave B. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this looks like possibly like a wave 1 and like an ABCDE of wave 2, some sort of a complex correction. We do have a lot of news coming out today. We have interest rate for the US dollar, CPI news, which I will be in a Zoom meeting at that news event for my premium members. And if anybody is interested in joining my membership, then the website is right here, fxpipcollector.com. But we also have FOMC interest rate news coming out today, which I will be in a YouTube live stream for that at 6:30 UK time, GMT plus 1, or at 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. I feel like there's a pretty good chance that the dollar is going to probably pop up one more time, and then if it just keeps going up, then okay, continue to hold your longs. Or if it does a reversal, maybe at the interest rate news, breaks structure, then I would definitely take that as a sort for the continuation of what is likely a wave 3. Probably a wave 3 of wave C. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, even though this is a higher high right here, I kind of think this is more likely an ABC. I think this is probably setting itself up for a long, and like I said, it could just keep on going up, but if it respects a fib level, turns back down, breaks structure, I will definitely stop looking for longs and definitely start looking for shorts again. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we have CPI interest rate news coming out first today, which it kind of seems to me like that's going to cause the dollar to go up, probably the dollar CAD to go up also. Then at the FOMC interest rate news later today, if it causes a reversal, causes it to go down and break structure, that's what's going to stop me from looking for buys, and that is exactly what's going to stop me looking for sells again. So as of right now, the trend is technically up on the daily 4 hour time frame. You should probably primarily be looking to go long. But if it does do a reversal at the second round of news today, either at the press conference or at the interest rate news that I will be live streaming on YouTube for, then I will definitely stop looking for longs and I will definitely start looking for shorts again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership if you'd like to get access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.